Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Mortal Kombat Legacy Collection gamepad or controller not working error. What you need to do is to restart your PC. For that, click on the Windows icon over here. Now click on power, then select restart. So after your PC restarts, check if controller is working or not. If not, next is to update controller drivers. For that, go to the Windows search for device manager. Now expand human interface devices, select your controller, right click on it, click on update driver, and then click on search automatically for drivers. So after updating your controller drivers, restart your PC and then check whether controller is working or not. If not, next is to enable or disable Steam input. For that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties. Now click on controller. Here you have to select enable Steam input. After that, check if controller is working. If not, again come back. Here you have to select disable Steam input. After that, check if controller is working or not. If not, next is to verify integrity of game files. For that, go to Steam, under library section, right select your game, right click on it, click on properties, click on install files, click on verify integrity of game files. Now after verifying the game files, check if the gamepad or controller is working or not. If not, next is to check for game update. For that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, and here you can see update option if any update is available. Now after updating your game, check if the problem is resolved. Next method is to update Windows. For that, go to Windows search for check for updates. Now here you have to click on check for updates option, and it will search if any update is available. If yes, update your Windows to the latest version and then check if the issue is fixed. If not, next is to install DS4 Windows tool. For that, I have already provided the link in the description, or you can search for DS4 Windows tool on your browser. Now after the website opens, here you have to click on download option. This will take you to the next page. From here you have to select and download the DS4 Windows tool. Now after that, install it. After installing, launch the game once again and then check for the error if it is resolved or not. So by this way, you can easily fix gamepad or controller not working on Mortal Kombat Legacy Collection game. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.